Education Minister ora Ka MTET sangma ola pentikna ye Nonghikai SSA bakasarkar kadang trishtom banweng ye kijing jongki bat banwat ye kilat kelenti ki babhatam ula banjur bakasarkar menta kadang don hakajung penkre ban thau ye kilat banweng ye kijing balapan pau da Nonghikai SSA Menteri ulapan pau ya karai badang shan jong ka konhon menteri ban penkiu ya kerta trai kamna ka banta ke Nonghikai SSA ke bala syakri ulapan benaro basyan ki don Haduh Andrus pak Tylli ki kam badang laj bat ka jung pen bena kin submission tang na ka banta ke bala dab ban pendap ya Ka MTET ki la ban apply badro ula ban rap ro syapang ka jung dawa ban penkiu ya katulop ula ong ba palat Haduh khat lai hajar ngot ki Nonghikai SSA menteri ula banjur ya kum kene kirai ki don kam ka jung perkhat ka babnia bat ban omla ban le hakashisngi henry ula pentikana ba kasorka kan shimkia ban shim ya ka sinjam ka batikana ban weng ya ki jung dawa bat ban bha ya ka jung long jung man na ka banta ki Nonghikai SSA.
So, like SSA is more or less like, because the salary component is from the government side, be it the government of India or government of Meghalaya. The buildings also belongs to the government, right? So having said so, there were the demand and request from the SSA teachers also to accommodate and all here in India. But since the number is very, very large, we are the highest in percentage, highest in number. 13,000 plus teachers from the SSA. So it is not possible to accommodate, to regularize, because the system in Meghalaya is completely different from the rest of the country. We have established a separate SSA cadre schools and teacher, so way back. But now, so in order to give them better opportunity, since as a teacher they are working already for last 10-20 years, some of them has become average. But since they are already working in the department, we proposed to the cabinet that the upper age relaxation be given to them, so that they will be allowed to participate in the upcoming recruitment. Therefore, this is what it is. So the cabinet has already decided to allow till the age of 45 years to those already serving as a teacher to apply in the education department for any government teachers recruitment as and when the vacancy arises. At the moment, about 600 vacancies is there. So we will be calling for advertisement again very, very soon. So those who are MTET qualified, those who are qualified, they can apply and they can be absorbed anytime. So, but therefore, just to give them more opportunity, we have given them age relaxation, because they are already serving in a department. Therefore, we have department taught to give them rooms, to give them more opportunity, to open them more ways, so that whoever qualified, who will be professional, who will be good in teaching, who are brilliant, they can absorb, they can always enter into the regular service. Yeah, it's a continuous process. We are doing the step by step. This is you can read the lines. Government is on positive note. You can read the lines. So this is one of the steps that government is on very serious, and we know the problems and issues. Therefore, it may not happen at one go, at one day decision. But the certain step we have already the positive step we have already initiated, we can say. But number is so huge, we cannot take decision immediately, right? There's certain procedure to be followed, certain step to be followed, a certain formula to be adopted, right? So therefore these are the things like which will support them. So I think neither we can say no or yes today. Yes, but definitely government is on positive, and we are working the formula how to get them positive support to them. Question of absorption doesn't arise as of now, but the problem is, look, all the SSA teacher, the salary component come from the government of India and the government of Meghalaya, right? So it means, I'm not talking about the schools. Yeah, I know there are many schools run by the churches, run by the society, run by the community, owned by the community, right? There is they have got the SSA funding also, right? But the teachers are being paid from the SSA fund, right? Because now the salary is going DPT, right? The direct transfer to the account. That means they are SSA teaching. Government, yes, government, if the government decide today, it's a big huge financial burden on the state, which is not possible. But we have to step by step at a right. We are on the positive note, definitely. So maybe it may happen today. It may not happen today, but it may happen tomorrow or day after. But government is on serious. We are exploring all possible ways and means. We are working out the formula how to support them, how to give them a job security. Number one is their job security, right? So most of the SSA are worrying that in 2026 SSA program will be over for the government of India. So if that over, definitely that will be handed over to the state government. State government will have to take them over. So there is no way out. So I'm sending them out from the profession doesn't arise. Government to take this responsibility, and government, earlier 90:10, but today government has to state government has to bear the 30% of the salary component today. So next year will be the 35. 2026 will be the 40:60, right? 27 or 28 will be 50:50, right? So government is exploring and leaving no stone unturned to support them to address that issue. Yeah, it will not. Government of India, since school is already opened, the closing down of the school doesn't arise, and no human being, no government will decide so. Though it's a government of India discontinue, government of state government should take over. There is no way out. But we don't know what kind of formula will be applied, what kind of policy will be adopted. That will decide tomorrow. But as of now, SSA is definitely a part. It is within the department, within the system, and they are the part of the family of the education department. It is not yet, but to me, we are, as rightly said, we are exploring all better possibility, right? So maybe, at the end of the day, it may be that, it may be this, right? But we are not yet decided anything as of today. But we are exploring the best possible way.